Hello Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all po. Tignan natin po na mensahe po ni Aries for today is Six of Wands. Napakaganda pa una mensahe pa lang, no? Napakagandang pasabog na. We have the Six of Wands. This is the victory energy, Aries, no? This is victory. This is success. At ano to, kung related dito sa trabaho, sa career ninyo, this is really beautiful kasi parang sweet victory ninyo ito, no? Very sweet victory. Finally, no, come to fruition na kung ano man yung mga pinagsikapan ninyo dito, tiyagaan at lahat, no, you've put your so much effort and time, energy into this, kung ano man itong pinagtrabahuan ninyo. And now you are going to claim your victory. You will be on the spotlight. Maraming recognize na sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong performance. There will be also prosperity and abundance dito for you kasi maaari din na may financial reward ito, no? Yung galing ninyo na pinakita sa trabahong ito ay maaring mabigyan kayo ng financial reward. So, this is really very beautiful, no? This is going to inspire you even more na mag-strive pa, no, sa mga dadating pa na mga task na ibibigay sa inyo or sa mga trabaho pang gagawin ninyo, no? So, what else? We have 10 of Swords. Aries, this is a ending and beginning energy, no? Sa 10 of Swords, meron ditong magtatapos na. You're going to close some doors na sa buhay ninyo, lalong-lalo na yung parang siguro mga emotional wounds, emotional baggages ninyo na bit-bit ninyo for so long. Kasi nasaktan kayo dito ng todo-todo, no? Napagod ng isip ninyo, napagod ang puso ninyo, nasaktan kayo to your core dito sa kung ano man ang nangyari dito. Kasi this is a backstabbed energy, so maaaring meron sa inyo ditong nanloko, na-deceived talaga kayo at dinamdam ninyo yan ng todo-todo. Maaaring frustrated kayo about someone or about something, kaya parang talaga kayo, bumagsak kayo dito, no, ng bonggang-bongga. There could be betrayal happen din dito, no? Baka naloko kayo ng person ninyo or ng kaibigan ninyo, kapamilya, or anyone na close to your heart, no? Yung ganon. Pero, you're putting an end to that, no? You're putting an end to that na. At gusto nyo nang isara yung pinto na yan, no? Ng mga bagahe na yan sa inyong dibdib because you're choosing yourself na ngayon. You're choosing to be happy, to find your harmony, diba? Your peace, at saka gusto mo nang mag-move on dito. So, maaring meron din na ding pagpapatawa dito, no? For some of you, Aries. Judgment, energy, maaring ang ganap dito sa judgment energy could be related dito sa 10 of Swords. Kasi sabi dito, time for the truth to come forward. So, siguro meron kayong malalaman na katotohanan dito na related dito sa kung sino man na nanloko sa inyo, sino man yung nagdulot ng sakit, no, sa loob ninyo, sa dibdib ninyo dito. And maybe, no, with that truth, ito yung magiging susi para kayo ay magdesisyon na mag-move on na because there's no point anymore of harboring that emotional pain any longer, hindi ba? Kaya, maaari talaga na magpapatawad na din kayo dito, no? Kasi, di ba, yung pagpapatawad naman, we're not doing it para sa kanila. We're not doing it para sa mga taong nakapagdulot ng sama ng loob sa atin. But, we are doing it for ourselves. Diba? Gusto nating mag-move on na sa buhay, makapagsimula na ng bagong buhay, kaya tayo ay nagpapatawad. What else? We have 7 of Pentacles. Dito naman, this is your hard work paying off, no? Your hard work is paying off. That is the promise, no, sa inyo ng Seven of Pentacles. There could be financial gain din dito, no? Your patience is going to pay off na din. So, most likely, parang ito ay parehas ni six of wands, no, energy. Kaya yung hard work ninyo, yung patience ninyo, yung sipag ninyo, it's all going to pay off na, Aries. What else? We have Wheel of Fortune. Napakaswerte naman ninyo sa ngayon, Aries. We have the Wheel of Fortune. This is good luck and good fortune on your side. Kayo'y talagang siswertehin sa ngayon. There are a lot of positive changes coming your way. Sa buhay ninyo, there is good luck. Meron kayong swerte, success, good karma, and even gambling. Meron ditong gambling. So, siguro kung mananaya kayo ng mga game of chance, ay maaring dumating na din ang panalo, no, sa kamay ninyo, Aries. So, napakaswerte ninyo sa ngayon. We have Three of Swords in reverse, which is really good kasi you are overcoming sorrow na sa ngayon. You are mending your heart, healing. Papunta na kayo sa healing process, letting go. You are up for growth. You are up for recovery. So, saktong-sakto ito dito sa Ten of Swords. Kasi you're letting go of the baggages sa dibdib ninyo sa ngayon. Kasi nga, gusto mo nang mag-move on. So, definitely related ito sa bawat isa. No, nasaktan kayo dito ng bonggang-bongga sa kung ano man ang sitwasyon na yan. And now, you're ready to bounce back na sa buhay. You're ready to, heal, no? At magfo-forgive na din kayo dito para gumana ang inyong dinaramdam or ang inyong pakiramdam. We have 10 of wands. Ayan, so mayroon dalawang tayong 10. That is synchronicity, Aries. Dalawang 10. That is a very powerful angel number 1010. So I suggest you please look up for the meaning of angel number 1010 po for more guidance. Ayan. So, ang iba sa inyo dito, no, na burnout, energy drained kayo, exhausted, at saka ang bigat, no? Ang bigat ng inyong bitbitin dito, no? For so long, ganun kayo. Maring dahil din dyan sa sama ng loob ninyo. Related pa rin yan dito, no? Sa Three of Swords. Kaya, sa ngayon, since this is 10, also, this is ending and beginning, diba? So, you're really definitely going to put that to an end. And handa na kayo dito na magbagong buhay. So, that is really good. You're up for growth. You're up for progress and healing. So, that's really, really beautiful. Final message ni Aries, angel number 1515, the big break. Ayan, sabi dito, an opportunity, help, extra cash, or other support is coming your way. So, be on the lookout for that. So, keep going and have fun when performing your task. The most tremendous success comes from passion. All efforts will be rewarded big time. So, napakaganda. Yan talaga din ang pinapakita ng Six of Wands dito, no? Na you are really going to reap the rewards of your hard work. So, that's congrats and good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.